everyone, welcome to the Bigo'shouse. Today we will be reviewing the Fire by Napaco FWC CNV pulse station. Conventional manual pulse station single action hex key. So as you can see, we have our little box. You don't need to see that. In fact, we'll put that over there. So, now let's get to unboxing. So, at first glance, you have your little box. Let's pop it open. So we have a nice little fire alarm, hex key, or hexagon key. So let's get right into it. So first, it's easy. This is not a push in, pull down, or one of those. You just pull it down and it's activated. Can't push it back up. So now, to reset it, you will need to take your key, put it in its little keyhole. When you twist that, you should be able to open the back up. It will look like this, so you'll put your key in, twist it. Hold on, guys. You're going to, now that it's activated, you're going to want to put your little key in the keyhole. Hold on, guys. Sorry, my camera's not on a tripod right now, so I'm trying to multitask by holding it and resetting it. Okay, so how about I tip y'all upside down? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to if y'all can't see, that says fire alarm. It's very backwards. So you're gonna put your key in your keyhole, follow the little arrow, turn it that way, and the back will pop open. With your handle, now that the back is open, pop it up, and then push your back closed, and then you can pull it again. That's the end of today's video. Bye!